Hi, I'm Parul Majitia. This is my daughter Tanya Majitia. We've been associated with Abacus Walnut from last 5 years. I started in 2020 with my older daughter Kavya, and I continued the legacy with my daughter Tanya. Last year we started with Parul ma'am, and maths being a fearsome subject for a lot of kids, but same was on my story with my child. But after joining Abacus, I'm so grateful for it. The fear of maths is all gone. She loves solving maths now with the help of Abacus, and it's become a fun and a learning process. All thanks to Walnut, all thanks to Parul ma'am and Jigna ma'am to make this process a fun loving process. Thanks to Walnut Excellence Education, thanks to Jalpa ma'am and Jitesh sir for giving us such a great platform for children to learn maths in a fun way. My daughter achieved her first trophy in maths, and I'm very proud of her.